This is my first video, but today I'll be showing you how to make a laser in Minecraft Java Edition using commands. So you will have to be in creative mode for this. If you're in survival, then you just want to type /game mode creative. So let's get right into the video. I don't want to waste your time. So what we want to do is we want to do /give and then @s command _block. Now, you want to hide this command block so nobody can get access to it if they're in creative mode or they have some way of getting into a command block. So we want to place it maybe underground. That's a good hiding place. And then what you want to type in there is execute as, and then what you want to type after as is you want to say the player that will be affected by the laser. So if you want to make it all players, then you type @a. If you want to make it a specific player, then you would write that player's name. So like player name, then that would be who it would specifically work on and no one else. If you want it to be on all entities, which would be zombies and silverfish and stuff like that, armor stands too, then you type @e. So I'm going to do @e just because that could be good for mob protection in your house if it's like a one block door. And then you want to type @s. No, you never want to do anything to @s. That always wants to stay the same. Then you want to type if block. Then you want to type those characters on them. So just follow what I just did right there. And then what you want to write is, so right here, it's going to be, you're going to place a certain block down, and that's what's going to activate the laser. So then if the player steps on the block or the entity, then the laser will kill them. So for this example, I'm going to be using a redstone block. And then just to make sure that nobody places a redstone block and then they accidentally step on it, they die, you want to do if block the same characters but now -2 instead of -1. And then let's find a uncommonly used block under redstone block, so beehive. And then we want to write run. By the way, you can change beehive to whatever you want. And you want to write run kill @s. Then you want to click needs redstone 1 so it changes to always active. Press impulse twice so it changes to repeat. Now press done. Now you want to cover that up. Now you want to build the tiny laser setup. So you want to grab all the materials. So this will be the top block where when the player steps on it, they die. And then this will be the extra security. So nobody places a redstone block and they stand on it and then they die. So we want to place a redstone block on top of our beehive or whatever you chose. And then you want to just make kind of good outline. And then if any entity steps on it, like let's say it's zombie, it'll die. So like if I just push it right there, see, it dies. Now I can even test this on myself. Let me set my spawn point right here. And yeah, I'd respawn right there. So yeah, if you have any questions or things don't make sense to you, just tell me in the comments. And if this worked, you can leave a like if you want, because I don't want to force you about anything. So yeah, I don't want to waste your time. Bye. See you in the next video.